Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I'm still recovering from a bit of a sickness and I sound a little bit different. But today I'm going to be unboxing my 2020 Beautylish Lucky Box. Ooh. Every year Beautylish does a Lucky Box, which is this Japanese tradition of basically you get a bunch of random things. It's supposed to be a killer price. You don't know what you're gonna get. I got the international box because I live in Canada, and I got the fair to medium skin box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is in it. Okay, and here's what it looks like. To be honest, I have already taken a peek because I've had it for a couple weeks now and I was dying of curiosity. I wasn't able to record earlier because I had lost my voice, but now I'm going to share it with you. This is the Lucky Bag 2020. Beautiful paper. I always keep my Beautylish box and just fold the paper over and it becomes like my empties storage solution for the year. Everything is very securely bubble wrapped and tissue papered. So much foundation comes off when I blow my nose. First up, the Charlotte Tilbury, the Icon Palette. This is Eyes to Hypnotize, 12 times 2 gram eyeshadows. This is worth $65 US, and I should say the complete cost of the box was 100 Canadian dollars plus $20 shipping. So it ended up being about $75 US or $90 US with like shipping and taxes and everything. So this item alone was worth $65 US. Pretty good start. And this is what the palette actually looks like. And it's organized into Day Eyes, Date Eyes, Diva Eyes, and Disco Eyes. And it says, for highly pigmented hypnotic eye looks, take you from day to diva to disco. Made in Italy. Step 1 is to prime, step 2 is to enhance, and 3 is to smoke. And I have already started to play around with some of these eye colors. They're all shimmers, which is interesting to me. Kind of an interesting choice if it's an all-in-one. Because, I don't know, I feel like shimmers are a little bit trickier to blend and like do detail work in your crease. Today I am wearing just like some matte shadows, and then I packed on some like green from my Vizier palette and then layered on top this like shimmery green. You can kind of see it here. But overall I kind of feel a little mixed about this palette. I wish it was a little bit more versatile. I know she has some other palettes that are maybe more like good for day-to-day. I don't really consider this like a day-to-day palette. I kind of consider this a shimmer top coat kind of final step, because in my very limited experience with it so far, it's not super pigmented. It's more like a real little wash of color and glitter. You can pack it on with your finger to make it a little bit more intense, but I don't know. It's a little bit disappointing for my very first Charlotte Tilbury palette, but I'm still playing around with it. We'll see how it ends up working out. So next we have a Sugarpill liquid lip color. This is in the color Strange Love, which is a metallic and sparkle finish. So that's interesting. I'm just gonna layer it up on top of what I've got on my lips right now. It looks really, really pretty actually. I've never tried any liquid lipsticks from Sugarpill before. I like the packaging. It's kind of like the Wet n Wild liquid lips, which I really love those. And yeah, let me go ahead and throw it on. Generally, I'm like anti-metallic lipsticks. After I tried that Smashbox red, it maybe changed my mind. So I'm definitely willing to give them a chance. Ooh, now that I know they can be really comfortable. Oh my god, that is intense. I'm not going to do the best application here because I might be trying on other lipsticks. That is so pretty. I feel like I could wear this a lot, even not just as a full lip, but maybe even just in the center and like blending it around. Didn't do the best application job here. I do think like my lips are super dry, and currently I'm still sick. I'm still really blowing my nose a lot and I'm kind of dehydrated. So I really feel like it's emphasizing my lip texture. I think on a healthy lip day, or maybe like a party or event where you won't be wearing it all day, this could be a really pretty color. Maybe even with like a lip gloss over top to just kind of like help it stay a little bit more moisturized. Well, I really like that color a lot, so I'm gonna have to keep playing around with that. That one is worth $18 US. Next we have, a few more liquid lipsticks. This one is actually like a Sanrio product, yeah. Little Twin Stars, which is like Sanrio. I don't really know them, but this is a liquid lip color duo. It's got Kiki and Lala in it. Kiki is a matte plus sparkle blue color, what the heck? And Lala is a matte plus sparkle pink color. So, okay, first off, I'm a little bit scared about this blue. We'll see if it's actually like blue or if it's just kind of like a half blue. This kit retails for $36. All the colors are actually really pretty. You can really see the sparkle in there. So I'm gonna try them on. Oh, the packaging's really cute too. So Kiki is the blue one and Lala is the pink one. And I guess I'll take off what I'm wearing now and attempt, oh god, to put on some more liquid lipstick. This is not the best test for these colors. Maybe I'll swatch them on my hand too, just so we can compare all three. Here's the first one. Oh, the doe foot looks a little bit different. It looks pretty like, pretty opaque. Okay, and let's try Kiki as well. I can't wait to put this on my lips. Oh my god, it's so thick. Wow. Okay, let's start with Kiki first. Oh, sorry, let's start with Lala first. It actually looks less opaque than Kiki, which I'm shocked to say. And they kind of smell like candy, like pineapple or something. So, let's see here. I feel like a kid with this makeup. I love it. Alright. This doe foot is different than the Wet n Wild ones. It's a lot more like precise. I don't know if this one's really my color. It's really like Barbie pink. I kind of like it. I feel like when you're a brunette, maybe sometimes it's hard to pull off like this baby pink lip, but I think this one's like dark and vibrant enough that I might be able to get away with it. Oh god, my lips are so dry. Oh my god, I think I really like it. I feel like a 60s sex kitten if I wasn't wearing this like eyeshadow and I just had on like winged liner. And yeah, I can see that being super cute. It feels like very lightweight, very almost like powdery. It looks completely matte, but I think it does have some sparkle in it. That is so cute. I am shocked. I really didn't know what to expect when I like opened these up. So let's try the blue one now, and then maybe we'll give it a bit more of a wear test here. Also, I think like it applied super nice and evenly. I don't think it's really emphasizing my dry skin. It went a little bit patchier on my hand here, so pleasantly surprised here. Now blue on the lips. Ooh, scary, exciting. Okay, how cool of Beautylish to throw in these crazy colors into this box as well. Like, cheers to them. Oh, wow. I don't think it suits this makeup look. And I'm not really sure I can pull it off in general, but I love it. It feels very comfortable. Considering I'm not the best at lipstick application, and I was pretty careless just now, I think the applicator and the formula is kind of dry and powdery, like I said, so it does make application really easy to control. I do kind of maybe wish it was a little bit darker, but at the same time, I don't have anything like this in my collection. Obviously, like, why would you? And again, it's got that, like, slight sparkle to it. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. And now you guys are going to have to look at this for the whole rest of the video. And I guess it is kind of a collector's item because they do say limited edition at the top. So I guess it's like a limited run. Once they're gone, they're gone. I can see why some people might not be the happiest if they got these two colors, but that pink is surprisingly wearable, and I think the blue is just kind of a fun, unusual item to have if you collect lipsticks. I kind of want to see what it looks like with this lip gloss over it too. This is just the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Flying Horses, which in my mind I feel like it's just clear. I'm just gonna add a touch. Messing my brush up. Yeah, these two together, they just feel delightful. Okay, let's keep going here. Next we have something wrapped in plastic. This is a little brush set, and they are a bunch of tiny brushes, kind of like detail eye brushes. Let's go ahead and take them all out. So it comes with a little brush roll, plus you get unit 201, unit 202. This is like a tiny, like almost pencil blendy brush. You know what 202 is like a flat packer brush. 203 is another like blender brush. 204 is another like flat packer. And 205 is another like blendy brush. And actually, I like my collection of brushes, like this old Morphe brush is like shattered. It's like ready to be retired. I'm not going to retire it quite yet, but I feel like these are perfect timing to replace that. I've never heard of this unit before. These retail for $30 US. It is the Units 200 series eye set. And I really like especially this tiny little like blender brush. That is so good for my tiny eyes, getting into like my tiny crease and stuff. I love those types of precision brushes. The flat packers I'm like less crazy about. I usually use my finger instead of a packer brush, but I'm really happy to have these three in my collection. I believe they're synthetic, and they feel pretty nice. They remind me a lot of my e.l.f. brushes, which might seem like a little bit of a diss, but I flipping love these e.l.f. brushes. I buy them all the time. They're really good quality. They last just as good as some of my other brushes. So yeah, I really like that. Very excited to have more brushes. I never complain about getting brushes in my beauty boxes. Personally, I don't use these brush rolls. I end up just giving them to Doug, who's like an artist, so he can take these for school or to hold his pencils or his brushes or whatever he has. I don't usually, like if I travel with brushes, I just throw them in a bag. I'm not gonna be that careful with them. Next, another brush roll. This is Beautylish brand, I guess, and it is furry. It says it's the Faux Fur Brush Roll Blush. I guess blush is the color. Spot clean with mouth soap and cold or lukewarm water. Oh, cool. Oh, it's quite a lot. So it's super soft. I don't know, I feel like it would get incredibly dirty incredibly fast. But it holds 2, 4, 6 brushes. It's got the little flap, and then it just has a magnetic closure. So again, not really something that I personally would use. And I think if Doug gets it, it'll be incredibly dirty incredibly fast. But this is just a little $14 throw-in. The magnets feel pretty strong. It's really cute. I feel like if you did use brush rolls, you might really like this one. But what were they thinking with this like color? Like, shouldn't it be black or brown? I don't know. What do you guys think? Kind of looks like a face cloth. I don't know, it's not really my thing. So also kind of weird that we got 2 brush rolls in one set, but I guess one's actually your brushes and one's actually like a brush roll. So I don't know. Next is This is from Good Molecules, which I think is another Beautylish brand. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer, formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. And it's winter here in Alberta, so that sounds pretty darn good. We'll see if I can get this open. It says, gently massage onto cleansed skin. When using sunscreen, let the priming moisturize fully absorb before applying. Suitable for daily use. And it says AM and PM, which is weird. I guess if you're using it as a moisturizer, you would use it at night. I'm not really sure. And it just comes out like a moisturizer. Feels a little thick. Feels a little silicone-y. I don't know. Feels like it might be a good one. I really like moisturizing primers. They're like definitely my favorites. Although I still always use a moisturizer with my priming moisturizers just because I feel like they're never that good at moisturizing. But yeah, feels nice. Looks a little silky and soft. Not scented, which is really nice. So gonna have to give this one a good try. And this one is, again, $14 US. Okay, and there's one item left now. This is from Surat, and it looks like a blush. Looks like a desert rose. This is Peau de Pêche artistic blush, made for Surat, New York, but it's actually manufactured in Japan. It feels soft. It feels real peachy. This looks almost like, ooh, that is cute. It kind of reminds me of this No blush I got from a BoxyCharm box once, and I flippin' love this color. So it might be a little bit brighter, but I've never tried anything from Surat before. Packaging feels a little flimsy and weird, but this one retails for $32 US. So that's kind of cool. Stick it with my other blushes. And that is everything from my box. So if you add up all the totals, it comes out to a value of $195. And of course, the very first item was like the high ticket item, the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette. So this was either my third or fourth Beautylish box that I've opened so far. I think this might be like the craziest and like widest assortment of items that I've gotten so far. Pretty pumped to see some like non-conventional items. Pretty pumped to explore everything. It was a little Sugarpill heavy this year, I guess, because I got the 3 liquid lips, which I'm not mad about because I've never tried it. I didn't get any single item that I already own, which is also pretty cool. And yeah, overall pretty happy with it. So let me know what you think about this Beautylish Lucky Box. If you got one, definitely let me know what you got in yours and if you thought you got your money's worth. Huge shout out to my patrons who help support these videos. Thanks to you for watching. And with that, you guys, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Hopefully, I'll be sounding a little bit better next week. Bye for now.